students, geometry. Today I will teach how to make 3-dimension shapes from 2-dimension shapes. 3D or 3-dimension shapes. These are 3-dimension shapes. First is cube. This is triangular pyramid. This is cuboid, and this is square pyramid. These shapes are being made from 2-dimension shape. Let's see how. Net of cube with flaps. Here I have made net of cube with flaps. Actual net are used to be without flaps. These flaps are made to just stick the cube, to just stick it into cube. Now these net contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares. How many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares. Now that 6 squares has been folded into the marks. This net has been folded into the marks. Here one fold, second fold, third fold, fourth and fifth fold I have done. After folding, I have sticked it into open box cube, and this is cube, actual cube. With the help of that flaps, I have sticked it into a cube which is 3-dimension. Cuboid. This is 2-dimension shape. It has length and breadth as well. This is 2-dimension, or we can say flat surface. This is 2-dimension or flat surface. This I have made net of cuboid. Net of cuboid contains 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangular. How many rectangular it contains? 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangles, and these two are square. Now fold this into a mark. Here I have not made the flaps. It is actual net. Now you have to fold here on the mark. You have to fold it here. You have to fold this here also and this also, so that you may able to make cuboid which is of this shape. And with the help of this flap, it has been sticked into cuboid, which is 3-dimension shape. It is what? 3-dimension shape, and this is what? 2-dimension shape. It is flat surface and it is 3-dimension because it contains length, breadth as well as height. Length, breadth, as well as it contains height. When height is included in any of that, that is 3-dimension shape. How to make net of square pyramid? Just see. First, I will fold into a half. After then, I will fold into quarter. Now, pick this point where there is closed. The open one you don't have to pick. Now from there fold it into two equal. After then make line. The two lines has been done because I need to make flaps even. Now cut from this mark. This will be a flap. You have to fold it from towards this line to define the flap so that you may able to stick it well. Open side. You don't have to cut from the open side, you have to cut from the closed side. Now you have to fold it to make the flap. Fold another side even also to make a flap. Fold it two sides to make the flap. Now open. The shape you will get is a square pyramid. This flap you have to fold it in proper way so that you may get the actual shape. Now this is square pyramid. The base is what? Square. The base is what? Square. The length and breadth are same. Square have all the sides same, of same length. Now I have sticked with the help of sticky glue to make it into square pyramid. Net of triangular pyramid. Now to make the triangular pyramid, you have to make the circle first with the help of rounder. Now how much wide you have taken to make a circle, the rounder? Just don't disturb because you have to mark the edges even. Suppose you have taken 2 centimeter wide that rounder to make the circle. Keep it like that 2 centimeter only to mark the edge. Now after then keep the rounder point here and mark with the help of pencil here. After then keep the pointer here, mark here. Keep the pointer here of that rounder and mark here. Like this way you have to make 6 marks. How many marks? 6 marks. Now after then, if you want to make the flap, make the line over here. Make the line over here. Make the line over here. And cut it with the flaps. After then, after cutting, just fold the flaps. After cutting, fold the flaps. In this way you will get 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. How many triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. Now after folding the flaps, just fold the triangles from here, from this side and from this side. After folding you will get like this figure. This will be the base of triangular pyramid and this you have to make it as a height which will take 3-dimension shape. Now this is 3-dimension. I have sticked it into triangular pyramid with the help of flap. With the help of flaps, I have sticked it into triangular pyramid. 3-dimension or 3D shapes I have done. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4 3-dimension shapes. From what? 2-dimension shapes. From what? 2-dimension shape. That is 2-dimension means flat surface. 2-dimension means flat surface. This I have made it from net which was having 6 square. This is what? Triangular pyramid with 4 triangles, 1 triangle as a base and another 3 triangles has given the structure the height. This cuboid has been done from how many? 4 rectangles and 2 squares. The net was having how many? 4 rectangles and 2 square has been sticked into what? Cuboid. And this is square pyramid. Square pyramid was having 4 triangles and 1 square shape base. Square shape base has been sticked into square pyramid. Explanation done. Try to make 3-dimension shapes from 2-dimension. Thank you.